Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class, we studied what are called factors and multiples. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some other topics in that lesson. Okay, we are going to study our next topic and the next one is prime numbers. Okay, so now let's check what are called prime numbers. Number which has only two factors are called prime numbers. The numbers which has only two factors are called prime numbers. So here we are given some numbers and look, the first number is 2. So can you tell which are the factors of 2? We studied the factors just before. Factors are the numbers which divides the given number completely without leaving a remainder. Okay, so which all numbers gives the product 2? Of course, 1 into 2 equal to 2. Do any other number gives the product 2? No, we cannot find any other numbers which gives the product 2. Only the numbers which gives 2 are 1 into 2. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. So 2 is a prime number. Look at number 17. 1 into 17 gives 70. Do any other number gives the product 17? We cannot find any other numbers which has the product 17. So 17 has only two factors, 1 and 17 itself. And when we are picking any number from this list, we can see that that number has only two factors, 1 and that number itself. And these prime numbers are listed in between 1 and 100. These are the prime numbers in between 1 and 100. And see, and from this list, which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one, right? So 2 is the smallest prime number, and there is one more speciality for 2. Look, except 2, all other numbers are odd numbers, right? So 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, not only the prime number ends with 97, there are so many other prime numbers, but here we have listed only the prime numbers in between 100, only up to 100. So it ends in 97, and there are many other prime numbers. Okay, so the smallest prime number is 2, and 2 is the only even prime numbers. Okay, so we studied what are prime numbers. These are the numbers which has only two factors. Okay, and when we are looking at this list, we can see that some numbers are missing here, right? Here 4 is missing, 6 is missing, then after 7, 8, 9, 10 is not there, and so many other numbers are missing from this list. Then where does these numbers go? Let's check the factors of the missing numbers, right? So here the missing numbers, some of the missing numbers are here. 4 is missing from that list, right? So what are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, right? 1 into 4 gives 4. 2 into 2 also gives 4. So in total, how many factors are there for 4? 3 factors, right? 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. That means 4 has more than 2 factors, right? So 4 does not falls on that list. 4 does not falls on the list of prime numbers. Okay, and the next is 6. Which are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 into 6 equals 6. 2 into 3 equals 6. Right. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And also the case of 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1 into 8 gives 8. 2 into 4 gives 8. Okay, so the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. And 6 and 8 has 4 factors, right? The number of factors for 6 and 8 are 4. That means more than 2 factors are there. Okay, and the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. 1 into 9 gives 9, and 3 into 3 also gives 9. And also 9 also has more than 2 factors. It has 3 factors, right? So that is why all these numbers does not falls on the list of prime numbers, because it has more than 2 factors, right? And what are called these numbers? These numbers are called as composite numbers. Okay, so what is composite numbers? The number which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Okay, so we studied about prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors, and composite numbers are the numbers which has more than two factors. And look here, prime number starts from 2. The smallest prime number is 2. And the composite number starts, which is the smallest composite number? 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay, and one number is missing here. Before 2, there is 1, right? 1 does not falls on the list of prime numbers, and also 1 does not falls on the list of composite numbers. Then what is 1 called? So we can say that 1 is not a prime number, and also 1 is not a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 does not falls on the two categories. Okay, so 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, now we are moving on to our another set of numbers, and the first category is twin primes. Now let's take what are called twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers with a difference of 2. So here 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. And what is the difference of 3 and 5? 5 minus 3. It gives a difference 2. So those numbers are called, those prime numbers are called twin prime numbers, which gives a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. The prime numbers, they must be prime numbers. The prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. Then 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are prime numbers, and the difference of 5 and 7 is 2 itself. Next is 11 and 13. 11 and 13 are prime numbers, and the difference of 11 and 13 is again 2. And can you list any other twin prime numbers from this list? Look, 59 and 61. 59 and 61 gives a difference of 2. Right. Again, 71 and 73. 71 and 73. These are prime numbers, and it gives a difference of 2. So, the prime numbers which gives a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. Okay. Next is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Let's check what are called co-prime numbers. Okay. So, two numbers with only one as the common factor. So, the two numbers, this can be a prime number or composite numbers. The two numbers with a common factor 1. It has only one common factor, and that common factor is 1. Two numbers with only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. So here 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Look, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Right. And the factors of 5. Factors of 5 is 1 and 5. And which is the common factor here? Only 1 is the common factor. So we can say that 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers because it has only 1 as the common factor. Okay. So in this class, we studied what are called prime numbers, what are called composite numbers, and also we discussed what are co-prime numbers and also twin prime numbers. Okay, so hope that you all got the concept of these, and you should be thorough with these concepts. Okay, so thank you.